So hello everyone, we are building FirstMate. It is an agentic tool that helps the developers, students, freelancers to manage all their chaos properly. So let's log in. So after login, we'll be asked some basic informations like our name, what describes us best, what's our main productive time, or work schedule. So from taking all these informations, FirstMate will help us to plan our day better and eventually help us to be more productive. Now let's go through integrations. So we'll integrate here Google Calendar so that all the events can be fetched from the Google Calendar so that it can have a context about our schedule. Then we'll integrate Notion. So basically all the tasks, habits that will be created in the app will be stored in their own database, that is Notion. Then we can connect Telegram. So from Telegram, after connecting Telegram, we can basically chat with our FirstMate through Telegram. We can create tasks, know about our whole schedule, know about our events, and even we have a feature that in every day in the morning it gives us a brief about the whole day and like helps us to make our day more productive. And every day at the end of the day also it gives a brief about how did the day go, and also helps us to plan the next day through the Telegram bot. So we can see that all the Telegram tasks are logged over here. Also in the calendar also it got synced. Then this is a habit. So basic feature that people can do to create a habit. Then our main feature, build mode, where developers creators can give their ideas, where our first meet will help them to curate a executable plan. Then they can integrate their GitHub, so developers can give their GitHub where it will extract all the skills and the recent activities from the GitHub. Also, it provides all the trending open source repos based on our skills. Now, let's create a project called Ping, basically a Discord clone. So, we'll provide a short description over here. Then, the purpose of the project. We can give a deadline based on which it can plan our schedule. Then, we'll give a GitHub through which it can scan and get the context of the project. It is a boilerplate code only present over in that GitHub. So here it scans all the information that we gave. It scans the GitHub repos, it compares the skills that I have and the skills that is needed for the project, and accordingly it creates all the checkpoints and a lot of tasks under that checkpoints and schedule them and sync them with my GitHub, with my calendar and uh, tasks. So now also we can chat about our project over here. So it can help us to build it also. Then we have a feasibility score over here, which is dynamic with time. With the completion of checkpoints, this feasibility score also gets updated with proper reasoning. Also we have a built-in public mode, where basically on completion of a tasks or completion of a checkpoint, they can post it on their LinkedIn or X. So on completion of tasks, it gives a curated post that people can post on their X, as X is a frequently postable platform. So they can directly post or post it on by copying with a picture on their X. Then they can in also after completion of a checkpoint, they will get a curated post to post it on X as well as post it on their LinkedIn. Again, they can post it directly or copy it and post it with a picture. Then this is the project dashboard, where all the information about the project is present. Then we can see that in the calendar, here in the agendas, all the project related tasks will be shown over here, and in the recent activity, as we mark their complete, so they will be shown in the recent activity. Now here in the calendar we can see that all the project related tasks that got created are synced very well over here. And this is the month view, where just a different view of the calendar. Then let's go to tasks. Here we can see that all the tasks that got created got synced over here. This is a Kanban view, so we can move the cards over here and there to change their state. This can be also done through Telegram, that complete this task or change the state of this task to in progress. So yeah, now let's go to the dashboard. So here we can see all the logs also gets implemented here properly. Now this is the chatbot of our FirstMate, where basically user can use what's the schedule of today, or How can I be more productive? What are some free time that I get today to do a proper do X task, do Y task. Also, in future we have a plan that we can integrate Lovable or Bold.new with the build mode, so non-developers can also take the full benefit of the build mode and create products from scratch to a proper MVP.